DJi Mini SE, unboxing in first flight. Got that coming up next. Build a Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The DJi Mini SE was finally released in the United States, and I just received mine. So without any further ado, let's take a look at the unboxing and first flight. Okay, we have the DJi Mini SE. We're going to do the unboxing here. Plastic over there. Go ahead and break the seal here. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay. We have the DJi Mini SE itself. We have the controller here. Let's go ahead and open this up. Here's the controller. You can see the sticks for the joysticks are right here in the controller. You can see one of the cables for the phones is already on here. I imagine it's probably an Apple iOS. And there's another little box down here. I'll get into this box here in a minute. And then you have manuals here, a quick start guide, fly the right way, which it looks like CAA. I think that's probably for Canada. And then here, know the rules. This looks like warning information, disclaimer and safety guidelines. New to flying drones, we are here for you. And let's see what else this is here. This is probably more warranty and disclaimer information. Okay, let's go ahead and see what's in here. Okay, looks like we have spare props here. A USB cable, another one, and cables for your phone, and a tool. Looks like a screwdriver to be able to change your props out. And these are the other cables for Android phones right here. So all told, this is the unboxing of the DJi Mini SE. Let's go ahead and get to the first flight. That was the unboxing. Let's take a look at the first flight. Okay, looks like we're ready for the first flight of the DJi Mini SE. Let's get this show on the road here. We're recording now.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
All right, let's get it up here and see what we got. First of all, it's very stable. It's looking pretty good here. Get it up to about 100 feet. Right at 100 feet, let's take it out. See what we get here. It's nice because I found a shady spot, so
Looking pretty good here. To about, let's see, 800, 700. Okay, we're going to go ahead and turn it around. Let's take a look and see how controls work here. Just doing this slowly. Okay. Let's head back this way here. Let's see what we got. I am recording in 2.7K here, folks. It is a beautiful day right now. And it's flying right overhead here. I'm going to head on down. And it's staying true to course. Just a little bit. So far, so good here. Absolutely no wind to speak of today, so that's a good thing. Just in course, just a little here. Okay, we're gonna stop us here. Let's go ahead and turn around. Let's come back this way. Just looking really good here.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I think I'm okay for right now. Let's see when we stop.
Don't let it get too loose.
Yeah, it's just up and down, so I'll just press down.
Got the tool.
Hey.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Oh. I heard rumors.
What rumors?
That when they're 70% full, they're going to finish 19. All the way through.
Had some folks riding their bikes come by me and say hello. Just a beautiful day today. About 1,000 feet. We're going to go ahead and do a return to home.
Go home.
Now, surprisingly enough, okay, I thought I had set the settings, but evidently they got adjusted, so the return to home height here. But it's good to take a look and see what we get from a higher altitude here. Apparently it got set to the max.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Start to hear the drone at about 400 feet away. Closing fast, 100 feet away.
Landing.
Well, let's see how we do with our first landing here. Okay, area unsuitable for landing. All right.
Landing.
Okay, well, we had a very successful first flight with the Mini SE.
Question of the day. What do you think of the DJi Mini SE unboxing and first flight? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.